Hey there, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Priya. In this video, I'm gonna talk regarding psychological support versus money. According to my experience, psychological support is crucial than money. So I'm gonna talk regarding these both comparatively in this video. Please hang with me till the end of video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Here I am talking regarding, already I have pointed that psychological support is most important than money. Yes, of course guys. According to my experience, I would like to tell that important is psychological support, not money. Because see, if one person is suffering from mentally disturbance, they need psychological support. They do not need money. If you are trying to give them money, if you are trying to hand over them anything, your legacy, they do not take it because they need mentally peace, which is most important. First of all, as a human being, we need mentally peace. Psychological support is needed for that. So we need to understand that all, which is most important in our future, not only money. You just earn money. Money is just getting things, not for everything. That you could understand. If you understand this, then you will survive your life and easily. So therefore, I am pointing here. I am marking again and again and again that word psychological support. Why? It means you need to understand that in case somebody is suffering from mentally disturbance regarding anything, regarding job, health issue, family matter, love matter, no matter whatever the issue will be, you just go to close them, talk them nicely, and ask try to listen whatever they are trying to tell, and try to understand them what is their concern, and you should give them psychological support. Yes, I will be stand behind you no matter the issue, whatever the big or small. I will stand behind you. If you tell this, then they will stand within 2 to 3 days and they will forget all issue. Yes, I have somebody behind me. Then they do not get disturbed from any side. They need psychological support. Therefore, I'm trying to convince here, I'm trying to telling you guys, you just understand their issue, you just understand their concern and try to give them psychological support. Here, not money. Here they need on and only psychological support, which is most important. Yes, as a human being, everyone need physically, mentally, psychologically, financially, socially support. Not only money, not only financially. Just let it be side. So therefore, we need to understand this journey and we need to talk one and each other, and you should find out their problem and talk to them, give them support, then they will come out that issue. Definitely you should try. If somebody, your friend, is suffering from something issue and they do not share you, you try to comfort them, you try to convince them. So definitely they will tell you, definitely they will come out from that. So that's it. No matter whatever the issue will stand in front of anybody, do not broke, you do not fear, just be strong, be confident, be comfortable, then fight with that question, fight with that issue. No matter whatever the problem, everything is has solution. So therefore, you need to try, give your level best and fight it, get it. Definitely, you will get that successfully. Yes, guys, I'm confidently telling you that everyone is suffering from mentally disturbance. Nowadays, this is common. Even kids are suffering from mentally disturbance because of their study, exam. Yeah, already I have seen in many places. And you do not take tension. Just give your level best, and whatever it will happen in your future, that is only faith. Believe your faith, give your 100%, do hard work, definitely you will get it. And if you are broke, if you got some bad experience from some bad people, don't mind, don't get fear, and you do not broke immediately. Whatever you will suffering from, I am not trying to tell here every point, just you should understand what I am trying to tell you, guys. If you broke in your life, in any case, in whatever the matter, you try to get it back. So nowadays we need psychological support, and be with your friends who all are think positively, don't think negative, which is most important. Yes, guys, this is what I am trying to tell you. I hope you got this video useful. Please hit the like button, share to your friends who all are suffering from mentally disturbance. Please get back, and I hope they will find this video useful. Leave your comments in the comment box. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, and take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.